Welcome to this guided mindfulness meditation session. In the next few moments, we'll embark on a journey of present moment awareness, helping you find stillness and calm within. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, and let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position. Sit or lie down, ensuring your back is straight but relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap or by your sides, and gently close your eyes. Allow your body to settle into the present moment. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel the sensations of your breath, cool as you inhale, warm as you exhale. Shift your focus to the present moment. Let go of thoughts about the past or future. Instead, anchor your awareness in the sensations of your body and the rhythm of your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or the gentle expansion of your abdomen. As thoughts arise, simply observe them without judgment. Imagine each thought as a passing cloud in the sky of your mind. Acknowledge its presence, then let it drift away. Gently return your attention to your breath. Bring awareness to different parts of your body, starting with your toes. Notice any sensations, tingling, warmth, or pressure. Gradually move your attention up through your body, scanning each area with curiosity and non-judgmental awareness. If emotions arise, allow them to be present without resistance. Observe the feelings with compassion, acknowledging that emotions are a natural part of the human experience. Breathe into any areas of tension or discomfort. Expand your awareness beyond your body to the sounds around you. Notice the textures of the air against your skin. Embrace the full spectrum of sensations in this present moment without attachment. As we approach the end of this mindfulness meditation, take a moment to reflect on this practice. Express gratitude for the time you've dedicated to your well-being. Consider how you might carry this sense of presence and awareness into the remainder of your day. As we conclude this mindfulness meditation journey, gently bring your attention back to your breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry the calm and awareness cultivated in this practice with you, allowing it to enhance your daily experiences. Thank you for joining this guided mindfulness meditation session.